Well, but of course I had to try. We put some chocolate into your mold. You can take a loaf pan. Don't have to go fancy for the pan. And then I did my own pistachio butter because I wanted it lactose-free, so it's not as liquid as the pistachio cream, but you'll see in the caption. Now we fried our kadaif, which I didn't fry enough, so make sure that it's really brownish and crispy. If not, it's gonna be too soft. We mix it with the pistachio butter or the pistachio cream. We add some tuna and we fill our mold. Cover with melting chocolate. We put that in the fridge for an hour or so, and voila.